Checking in with you, man. Your boy Phoenix on another project. Back home now. I'm in Phoenix and South Chandler. About to do a little welding on these, on the front and back canopies to put up some shades for a company that I've been networking with. It's a lot of work going on right now down here. See the cranes in there on the other side of the building. But yeah, we got to work on this front and then the back area where they're gonna have some shades. So I'm out here, man, networking with another company, man, I always like messing with. So Ultimate Shades. So if you know them in the Tempe area, they're called Ultimate Shades. So one of the guys, project manager, is Paul. So I always network with Paul to help him out. So get with us, man. Like I said, we're in the city, man, getting our hog on out here early in the morning, getting ready to live to be remembered. Hog on welding.